Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to restore and backup WhatsApp messages on Android. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to restore or backup your WhatsApp messages, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your WhatsApp app, just open it and then tap on three dots and then select settings. In settings, just select chats. In chats, just scroll down and look for chat backup, tap on it, then select your Google account. Is that? Just tap on it, and here you just have to select your Google account and then tap on backup. In this way, you can easily back up your messages. And after that, if you want to restore your messages, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to uninstall your WhatsApp and then reinstall it. And after installing, you have to make sure that your Google account has been logged into your phone, and then you can easily restore your all WhatsApp messages. So that's how you can restore and backup your WhatsApp messages on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.